Can I put my clothes in the washing machine? The dirty clothes. Beep. Okay, center detergent. Wait, what? Oh no. My washing machine broke. Guess I gotta go to the store and get a whole entire new one. Wait. That's heard a weird sound. Well, who are you?
Hello, sir or madam.
I'm a sir. How dare you?
Okay, hello, sir. I see that your washing machine broke because of some sort of overload.
Yeah, from the looks of it, I think I really need a new one.
But you have come to the right place.
My house?
Well, yes, your house. I have brought you a new auto-folding washing machine.
Yeah, it's obviously fake.
Oh, no, it's not.
It is fake. Wow, that actually looks really cool.
It has a motion sensor inside of it, so when you throw your clothes in it, it automatically washes them.
Well, I think you said something about a folding part. Well, what's up with that?
It has a mechanical arm inside of it, so when they finish, it folds them.
Wow, that's awesome. I'll probably take one of those. How much is it?
$599.
Dang, that's cheap.
I know, it also has a basketball hoop on top so that you can practice your basketball and become the next Michael Jordan.
Yeah, I'd always want to be one of those. I'll take two of them then.
Works like a charm.
Wait, what? Are you trying to scare me up?
Oh no!